The Mega Millions top prize has grown again to an estimated 640 million after there was no winner of the lottery's latest giant jackpot. The numbers drawn late Friday night were 10, 24, 48, 51, 66 and Gold Mega Ball 15. The estimated 640 million jackpot in the next drawing would only be distributed to a winner who chooses an annuity paid over 29 years. Nearly all grand prize winners opt to take a cash payout, which for Tuesday night's drawing is an estimated 328 million. The jackpot is the seventh largest in the game's history, Mega Millions said in a statement. 4 tickets matched all 5 white balls to garner the second prize level in the drawing. A ticket sold in South Carolina included an optional multiplier making it worth 2 million. 2 tickets in California and 1 in North Carolina also were second-tier winners, Mega Millions said.